In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to move from a paid plan back down to the free plan without any confusion or surprise charges. Let's start on your Zendrop admin dashboard. First, log into your Zendrop account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Billing. This will take you to the page where all of your payment details and plan information are managed. On the billing page, take a moment to get familiar with what you're seeing. You should find a section called Current Usage. This section shows your active plan and how it's being used. Within this area, look for the button or link that says Manage on your billing card and click on it. When you do, a pop-up window will appear with information about your subscription. Inside this pop-up, locate your current plan. Here, you'll also see an option that says, Don't downgrade me below this plan, with a toggle next to it. This setting prevents your account from being downgraded automatically. To be able to move to the free plan, you'll need to turn this off. So, toggle off Don't downgrade me below this plan. Double check that it's really switched off, then you can safely close the pop-up window. Now that your plan is allowed to downgrade, the final step is to unlink the products that are tied to your subscription. Look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard and find the menu panel. In that panel, click on My Products. This will open a list of all the products currently linked to your Zendrop account. Go through this list carefully. On the right side of each product, you'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon for a product, and from the drop-down that appears, select Unlink. This will remove that product from your Zendrop subscription. Repeat the unlink process for every single linked product on the list. Once all of your products are unlinked, Zendrop will automatically downgrade your account to the free plan. There's no extra confirmation button needed. At this point, your paid subscription is cancelled and you're safely on the free tier.